Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the LCD cover replacement on the Asus K3605Z, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery by sliding the latch and lifting it out. Now, let's get started with the screws on the back panel. There are 10 screws that you need to remove using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, as they will be needed for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start from the corner and work your way around to avoid breaking any clips. After removing the back panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using the microfiber cloth. This is also a good time to check for any other potential issues. Next, locate the LCD cover. It is secured by additional screws. Carefully remove these screws, which typically number around 4 to 6. If you find any screws are difficult to access, remember to use your spudger to maneuver around. As you proceed, be cautious not to damage any internal components. If at any point you feel uncertain about the process, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any underlying issues that may need attention. Now, gently lift the LCD cover from the screen assembly. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. Once the old LCD cover is removed, take the new LCD cover and align it with the screen assembly. Press down gently to secure it in place. Ensure that all clips are properly engaged and that it sits flush against the screen. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the new cover in place. Tighten them carefully to avoid stripping the screws. After securing the cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Line it up and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace all 10 screws that secure the back panel. Before finishing up, if you're concerned about any of the steps, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transportation, and you'll receive a quote before repair. Finally, reinsert the battery, ensuring it clicks back into place. Now, power on your Asus K3605Z and check the new LCD cover for a snug fit and proper alignment. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Asus K3605Z. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel, just professional service at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.